Hello everyone, welcome back to Sketch with Sujana. I am Sujana Reddy and in today's video we are going to create a super bright and cheerful artwork featuring beautiful pink flowers, green leaves, a cute bee and a warm sunset background. This drawing is going to be a perfect combination of nature, vibrant colors, and the best part is it looks very detailed, but it is actually very easy if you follow step by step. So grab your sketchbook, colors, and black marker and let's begin. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Sketch with Sujana if you love art videos like this. Alright, so the first step is always outlining the sketch. I am starting by drawing a rectangular frame. This border is very important because it gives our drawing a neat and clean finish. Now, inside the frame, I'm sketching the main elements like flowers, the leaves, bee flying in the middle, and the sun in the background. I'm drawing the flowers with long soft petals, keeping them slightly tilted. Try not to make all the flowers the same size. Some can be big, some small. That makes it look more natural. At this stage, don't worry about perfection. Just keep your pencil lines light and smooth. If you make a mistake, erase gently and redraw. Let's draw the most interesting element, the bee. I am keeping the bee big enough so it becomes the main focus of our artwork. Also tell me in the comment section, have you ever drawn a bee over a flower before? Now I'm adding the leaves on either sides. Notice how I'm drawing them in a flowing direction, like the plant is growing upwards. Finally, it's time for the background. Using any circle object, draw a concentric circles on the top left corner to show the quarter portion of the sun. With the help of a ruler, draw the sun rays. Now that the sketch is ready, let's move to the coloring part. Let's move to the flowers. I'm using a bright pink color for the petals. When you color petals, always follow the direction of the petal shape. This makes the flower look more 3D and natural. And to make the petals look more realistic, I'm adding a slightly darker pink or purple shade near the center. I'm also giving small line strokes inside the petals to show texture. Now the flower centers are colored using brown shade. I'm using small dotted patterns to make it look like real pollen. Now it's time for the stems and leaves. And for the stems, I'm using a darker green shade to keep them visible. I'm using a rich green color for the base. For highlights, I'm adding a small touch of yellow-green in the center of the leaf. Then I'm adding a darker green on one side to create shadow. This makes the leaf look fresh and glowing. Here is a quick tip for you. If you want your leaves to look realistic, always add at least 2 shades of green. It's time to get the star of the drawing to life. First, the wings are done in a light blue and grey shade. To make them look transparent, I'm not pressing it too hard. I'm adding dark blue lines to show the wing details. Then I'm adding black strips carefully. I'm also adding warm shades followed by it. To make the bee look more 3D, I'm adding a little brown shade towards the edges of the body. Do you all know? Bees are small, but they make artwork look so lively. Here I'm creating a warm sunset effect using shades like yellow, orange, red-orange and red. I'm coloring the background in a radiating style, starting from the sun area on the top. I'm filling each section with slightly different shades so that the background looks vibrant and not flat. While coloring, try the simple trick. Start with a lighter shade first and then slowly add darker tones. This gives a realistic glowing effect. Look at that! The background is making the drawing look so bright. Now the colors are complete. It's time for the final step, outlining with a black marker. I'm carefully outlining the flowers, leaves, bee and background section. This step makes everything pop up and gives the drawing a clean finish. Be slow while outlining. This is a step where the drawing becomes bold and professional. I'm also thickening the outer border to make the artwork look like a painted frame. And we are done. Our beautiful sunset floral artwork with a flying bee is complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Sketch with Sujana. And comment below which part was your favorite, background, flowers, leaves or the bee. Thank you so much for following along with us. See you soon in our next video. Bye bye.